Hello world. I was going to show you guys how to fix a problem with SKSE and Skyrim on Arch Linux. I will start by showing the problem here. Let me pull OBD or whatever into the other window, and so we have Steam open here. I want to start SKSE or whatever. It's going to do its thing. Well, not do its thing. It's doing its thing. We go in data files. Oh, look, there's a bunch of mods. Cool. It'll probably work. Then we hit play, and it's going to start the game, and then it's going to proceed to not work. Let me go ahead and turn down the volume of Bethesda here. So I'll go into continue, and we're going to get an interesting error from SkyUI. Error code 1, cool. I'm going to open my inventory, click on items, and you see that just takes forever. And I guarantee it's not my computer, probably not. But if you look at the version here, 1.9.32, but there's no SKSE at the end. That's because Skyrim script extender is not getting loaded in. So I found a fix for this. So inside of your Skyrim folder, which is this, so it'll be your home directory, share Steam, Steam apps, or wherever your Steam library is. Inside of your data folder, you need to make a directory called SKSE, and you'll put a file in it, skse.ini. Inside that file, you'll get something along the lines of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy our main exe, and we're going to just back it up. Always good to make backups. And we're going to copy our SKSE loader and replace our main exe with that. Crap. I don't know why it's yeah, so I'll go into that here in a bit, but I changed permissions of it. So now if we go look at all of our files here, you'll see the SKSE loader is now named exe. However, we need to do one more thing. We're going to copy that backup we made, and we are going to save it as that. So I'm going to go chmod all that. And the reason I'm chmodding it is because Steam will overwrite the changes you made to these exes when you go to update the game. That's rather inconvenient if you want to play the game, for instance. So theoretically, this will fix it. What we've done is, let me just go over that again. We took and we created this file in the data directory. This is going to refer the SKSE loader to the new to the original executable. In our case, that is tsfe, or the Elder Scrolls 5 _ Skyrim script extender.exe. That's our original executable. The script extender loader is going to run that, and then we have took and we have made our script extender executable has been copied and renamed to the Elder Scrolls 5.exe. This is to trick Skyrim into loading, trick Steam into loading the Skyrim script extender instead of, Skyrim itself. Now when we start the game, it doesn't really matter if you use a Skyrim script extender or if you use the Elder Scrolls V in your list of games, because they both run the same script. We're going to get the same launcher as before. We can hit play, and it's going to do its thing here. I wish there was a mod. I need to install a mod to skip this loading sequence. We're going to load the game. You'll see it will also load a lot quicker, just out of the blank, and we don't get that error. I can just go in my inventory, and you'll notice all the keys are working. And right here, 1.9.32.0.8, Skyrim script extender 1.7.3. If you're wondering why I am not using an actual mod manager, is seems like bloatware. I mean, Steam already has a Skyrim script extender thing. I just want to use that. I only want to like play with SkyUI and a few other mods. I don't want to spend my entire afternoon trying to set up mod manager and the 15 mods you have to set up with it. It's just too much work. So this is a quick little fix for this. I'm kind of surprised it even needs fixed, because Proton has been like super amazing in terms of like just working. And just to show you it works with either of the executables, I will run it like this as well. Again, do not, that's the wrong terminal. Do not forget to chmod your directory here. If you do forget to do that, you will run into problems because it will just overwrite your changes when it goes to validate the game or update or anything. I don't know why Skyrim even receives updates, considering this game is a gazillion years old now. But, you know, I guess they gotta do something with their servers. But that's that. Like and subscribe, so my channel, I get that sweet money.